This video is going to show you how to make ginger snaps. First you'll need 3/4 cup of butter softened in a mixing bowl. Then 2 cups of sugar, and we're going to cream that together in our mixer. Once that is creamed together, we're adding 2 eggs into our mixture, 1/2 cup of molasses. Okay, then you need 2 teaspoons of white vinegar. That in 2 teaspoons, and we'll cream this together. Once that's creamed together, then we're going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon, 1.5 teaspoons of baking soda, then 2 boxes of gingerbread cookie mix. It's just any brand gingerbread cookie mix. You'll need 30 ounces of the mix, which is usually 2 boxes of the gingerbread mix, and 1 cup of regular flour. Okay, now we're going to cream all this together. After that's all creamed together, then we add 1/2 cup of water. Mix it up for about 3 minutes till it's all nice and creamed together. Then we're gonna see, you want it so you can make a ball with it, like that consistency right there. Okay, it is done. Now we're gonna preheat our oven on 350 and get a parchment lined cookie sheet and make our cookies. Once your cookie dough is all mixed up for your ginger snaps, then you just roll it into a ball like that. Put it on a parchment lined cookie sheet. Make sure you leave room for them to expand out. You want a nice little ball like that. And once you get your cookie sheet filled, then we will bake them on 350 for about 12 minutes. Our ginger snaps just came out of the oven. These are a soft cookie. I know some people like ginger snaps hard and crunchy. If you like them that way, just leave your cookies in an extra 10 minutes and they'll be crunchy, but we like them soft. You just want them a little golden brown on the bottom. This took 12 minutes on 350. I hope you like my recipe for ginger snaps, and like and subscribe to my channel. Till next time.